Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting one or multiple BMP files, bitmap files into PDF. You can see on my computer I have a couple BMP files into pictures. This one, another one, and I will convert all of them into PDF document. In order to do this, I will download application from my website. I will leave link on this site into description. To find the app, I will click on search and type BMP. And I need these BMP converters, right? And I will click on BMP to PDF. And click on download BMP to PDF. I will be recording more videos on graphic converters and how to convert images to PDF formats, different and convert into different image formats. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. We are waiting for a file to be downloaded from Google Cloud. You can see archive has been downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click finish on final screen. And now I can close this and this and this, and you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop, BMP to PDF. I'll double click on it to open. Now conversion 3 steps process. In the first step we have to select our BMP file, so I'll click to select input file, and we have to select them in order we want them to appear in final PDF document. So I'll go to my pictures, and for example I want metrics to be first, maybe, and then authentication next, and events last, in this order. So after all files selected, I'll click on next. There are no conversions options here yet, so I will just click next step, and on final step I click run to create PDF documents. It's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay, just click save, and you can see it's adding first, second, third file and creating PDF. So let's go and open PDF file. I'll double click on it. And you can see all my images has been added to PDF and can be viewed on this PDF document. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you like to see more videos like this, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.